going to show you a real quick way to improve your observation skills and your drawing skills and how to get better at drawing continuous contour line drawings. My name is Dina Rennick. I am an artist and an art teacher, and I love sharing art techniques and technology techniques. Today, I'm going to show you how to improve your observation skills and your drawing skills and show you how to work on contour line drawings. Today, we're going to actually draw on our hands, so you just need something to draw with that's safe for your skin. I have this, I just got it, called Body Mark. It's by Bic, who also makes permanent markers, but this one is for skin, and you can get it from an office supply store or from Amazon. And it came with a bunch of colors. We're just going to use black. So you just need something to draw on your skin with. You could use this kind of thing or eyeliner or some kind of skin-safe thing. I have used a Sharpie in the past, but I thought I'd go with something that was made for skin this time. So join me and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so we're going to do a continuous contour line drawing, and a continuous line just means it never stops. So we're going to do one line to trace our whole hand. And contour means the outside edge. So we're just going to follow the edges of our hand, and in the end it's going to look very much like a drawing that you'd see on paper, but you're practicing observing by looking at all the creases and the bumps and everything that makes up a hand. So we're learning how to observe and how to draw a hand. Then we can photograph it later. It's going to look like a drawing of a hand because we're going to turn it black and white, and I can show you some examples of that. But for now, it's also a fun hands-on way to learn this. So we're going to only do one line. We're going to start here. And as we draw, any wrinkles that we come across, we're going to draw them as we go. Think of it almost like it's one wire, like you're drawing with a wire. So don't ever stop. If you have a little crease from a knuckle. Oh, I missed one. I'm just going to go back. So we're taking our time. And we're imagining that we're taking a piece of wire and following our hand. And if we were drawing this as a contour line on paper, we would do the same thing, only we would obviously not be drawing on our hand, we'd be drawing on paper. But this helps you to really start observing what you see by actually following it in real life. And it's a fun way to practice. So later, when you draw with paper, you're going to still do all these same things where you draw continuously. So if you see a wrinkle, draw the wrinkle. Don't go back in and add it later. And then if you see anything you missed, I think that looks pretty good. I might just go back and do a little bit here in case I turn my hand in the photograph. Yeah. What do we think? I think that looks pretty cool. And I'm going to pretend that I didn't pick up my pen, and I'm going to add a little here just in case I want to for the photograph later. But yeah, I like it. I am also going to put a couple more photos that I've done in the past and post those here so you can see what they look like. But this is a good way for you to practice looking at all the nooks and crannies and the contours and edges of your hand. If you wanted to, I don't know, I never did this before, but you could go here and then continue it on with a cursive signature too. And maybe that would look good in a photograph later. All right, there you go. So there you go, that's how you draw it. So you take your hand, follow all the nooks, the crannies, the creases, the edges, and that is following the contours, and you're paying attention to what you see and you're following it. Later when you're doing it on paper, you're going to practice hand-eye coordination by drawing what you see on the paper while you look at your hand. But here is the hand with no lines drawn on it, and then here is my contour line drawing on my hand. And again, this is washable marker meant for skin, so I should just be able to wash it off. And I'm also going to show you what it looks like when you turn it into a black and white photograph. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you do try it, please let me know. I would love to hear about it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video or you found it useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So thank you for joining me. I hope you're having a great day, and I love you. Bye. Mwah.